How to control fan speed on Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for Control Panel. In here, click on System and Security, which is the first option. Click on System and Security and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Power option, which is the fourth option in here. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Change when the computer sleeps option, which is located in left side. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In here you'll find Cool Fan option if it is available in your device. It's not available in my device, so it's not showing up. If there is Cool System in here, click on it and then click on Apply and then OK, and you're good to go. That's how you control fan speed on Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.